Queensgate Shopping Centre's brand new Schindler is finally operational. Oh wow! Oh, Vetro indicator. Okay, looks like... Okay, second floor's locked. That's interesting. I didn't expect that. Up to 1 then. Here we are at 1. Yep, second floor definitely locked. So let's go back down. I reckon this is probably a 5500. I don't think the Schindler 5000 is available in New Zealand just yet. Let's take another quick ride. Never seen one of these disabled side panels on one of these Schindlers before. That's really interesting. And back to ground. So this rear door will probably be used for the second floor. I'm wondering if when the new cinema complex opens, whether we'll be able to ride up to the second floor when that's built, but obviously that isn't finished yet. Sorry, my hand's a bit shaky. That is awesome though. There we go. Yep, you can see there, level 2 event cinemas, but that's not finished yet. Jeez, my hand's really shaking today. But yeah, level 2 event cinemas, but the cinema isn't finished yet. So we currently can't ride to 2, but hopefully once that's finished, we'll be able to take this lift all the way to the top. But yep, that's it.